pretty windy out right now. Hey, well, yesterday I filmed a video about this little guy right here, and only just now I realized the whole thing was out of focus, and gee, it's windy. Anyway, I'm going to reshoot it now for your viewing comfort. Viewing comfort? Who even says? Is that even a thing? So you see, the problem I've got today is it's nowhere near as nice of a day. I mean, yesterday it was beautiful and golden and pink out there, and lovely pastel hues descending from every corner of the horizon. But today is just really grey and drab and dull. Anyway, the point of the video was to talk about this little thing here, the GoPro Hero Black 7, Hero 7 Black 7 Hero Black. This is the latest generation of the GoPro, and it was only just the other day I was using it and I left it somewhere, and I had to text someone to find it and bring it back to me. And it got me thinking at the time, you know, for a device that costs $600, in fact here in New Zealand it was over $650. And I thought to myself, look, there's no way in this device to track it, to find it when you misplace it, and there's no way to personalize it or secure it. So essentially, if anybody ever finds this, all they have to do is turn it on, format your card, and this is their GoPro. I mean, wouldn't it just be awesome to have some way, if you did misplace it, to be able to look it up online and find out where it is, so you can get back there and grab it. Because as you can see, it's so small, it's going to be really, really easy to leave it places and not be able to find it. And I personally reckon it's just a little bit too much for GoPro to expect you to be able to remember where you've left it and pick it up every single time and not give you the facility to be able to look it up and find it. So, you know, based on what happened to me the other day misplacing it, when I thought I was going to remember it and having to contact someone to go and have a look for it and try and find it, remembering where I'd left it, you know, it wasn't that much of a big of a deal. But I would have liked to have just pulled my phone, had a quick look, firstly to check that the device was there or where I last left it, just to confirm that location would have been nice. And of course there's going to be issues around it because it doesn't have a GPS chip in it, or it doesn't have a SIM card, it's not connected to any network. Beam out rays to the International Space Station and then tell you exactly where it is. You know, the other thing is sometimes the device is going to be turned off, so how to communicate with the device when it's turned off. We know the battery is only limited in these, it's not like your cell phone. Now, speaking of cell phones, we've got Find My iPhone on my... I've got Find My iPhone on my... Well, I've got to find my iPhone on my phone so I can just search it up and find out where it is. That's just my thoughts about the GoPro. I really think that if GoPro are going to come out with the next generation, the GoPro Hero 8 7, Pro Hero 8 7 Black, they're going to come out with the next GoPro, the GoPro Hero 8 Black 7, come out with the next GoPro, the Hero Black 8 7. It'd be a real plus if it had some sort of GPS or some sort of chip in it so we could search up and work out where it is when we misplace it or where we've left it. What do you think? Do you think it can be done? Do you think they will do it? Do you think it's on the cards? Do you think it's something that could be coming in the next iteration of the GoPro Hero Black 7 Black? I think you've seen enough.